Okay? Walt Disney. Who saw the movie, yung Tom Hanks? Ang title niyan? Polar Express ba yan? Oh, Polar Express. Bakit ang Walt Disney, they acquire mga sikat na actors to portray or to voice over the characters dun sa ilan nilang anime? Why? Why? Which I will discuss to you later. Why? Wild guess? Or konting spantaha? Why? And why is it na yung character nila, na pinoportray nila, almost kamukha na nila? O, isang tabi na natin si Tom Hanks. Kasi tao talaga yung dinov niya, di ba? Sa kamukha talaga niya. Pero bakit yung mga hayop? And even in a real movie like Dragonheart, wherein Sir Sean Connery portrayed the role of the dragon. Why is it that every time the dragon speaks, halos yung kuntog ng dragon, kuntog na ni Sean Connery? Why? Which I will discuss to you later. Okay. You are already a talent actually. So sabi nga sa inyo, pag-gising kayo ng umaga, ginising kayo ng nanay niyo at sinibutin niyo, o nagtabog man lang kayo, o yutusan kayo ng tatay niyo, bumili ng suka, at nag-respond kayo from a certain words, from certain lines, you get affected by it, you're a talent already. Kasi alam niyo kung paano sagutin. Alam niyo kung paano mag-respond. Okay? Ang Buddhist, meron silang kawikaan sa pamumuhay nila at certain process ng life na tinawag nitong threefold way. So divide natin. Halimbawa, itong Buddhist. Let's divide. So even a talent, hi mom, kayo po ay si Lian. Alright. So, hindi lang tayo sumasagot. Tayo bilang talent, we want to persuade other guys or other people to act dun sa gusto natin mangyari. Like, ikaw nagdabog ka pero utusan ka mo ng suka. Anong gusto mong mangyari? Gusto mong mangyari, huwag ka utusan. Si Rochelle nagdabog, nang ginising, kasi gusto niya mangyari, huwag siyang gisingin. Gumising siya ng pusa. So we want people to be affected by our movement, by our lines, by our dialogues, or by our certain norms in life. Alright? The Buddhists have what they call the threefold way. That is, baliktarin ko na, dapat muna yung ground. So the ground,